Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I'm making beef stew because I'm sick of chicken, and if I eat any more chicken I'm going to be clucking. So I bought these two beef steaks from Aldi. They were $3.99 and I've used one for the stew and the other half will get used for something else. So as I've been chopping up my veggies, I've been adding to my stock bag, and that'll go back in the freezer, and I put half a leek in there today. So this is what I've got in the pan. So I've added another butter, the chopped up steak, or beef if you want to call it that, a small onion, 1.5 leeks and a stick of celery. Just use whatever veg you've got. This is not a definitive recipe. So I've been sweating these in the pan. I've added some salt, pepper and garlic. You can add whatever flavour and seasons you like, maybe a bit of chilli to give it a bit of a kick. And these have been sweating for a good 5-10 minutes on a slow heat, number 2. And I'm about to put the veggies in. So these root vegetables is just half a swede that's been peeled and diced, and 3 large carrots that have been diced up. So bulk out the stew with as much veg as you can. So I particularly recommend lots of carrots and potatoes, so it goes a long way and feeds lots of people. So I'm going to throw that in now. And here I've got 5 large potatoes. You're probably thinking, God, they're greasy in their house. But I just want it to last over the weekend, to be honest, so I don't have to keep cooking, and maybe throw some in the freezer. So these are 5 large potatoes. So they're going to go in next. I hope, because my hands are rubbish. Yeah, you got them all in. That's good. So I'm going to give it all a good mix, and then I'm going to top it up with some cold water, and I think I might add a little bit more seasoning. So I've just got it in my kettle because it's a nice big container. So I'm going to bring it back up to the boil around number 5-6 on the hob, and then turn it down to 2 and put the lid on. And then cook till your veggies are soft, about 45 minutes. And while you're cooking in the kitchen, crack open your window a little bit, because your kitchen's going to end up a bit steamy and a bit sweaty. So yeah, that's simple beef stew. Add whatever veggies you've got, even if you've got a frozen bag or one of those stock bags that you see in Aldi and Asda. Maybe you're lucky enough to get hold of one reduced. And let me know, are you cooking a big pot of stew or soup this weekend? I'll do you for these winter days. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll leave all the info in the description box and a completed picture in my community page as usual. Yum, yum, yum.